Bam! The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video. Right now we're doing VeChain and it's down by minus 2.2%, but it's looking good, and I'm gonna explain to what I mean by looking good, because it is down, and a lot of people that are watching the 5-minute chart might actually think that we are going down to forever. We are not. It's actually playing exactly as I said it's gonna play out, and I hope I don't actually am wrong here, because that would be very bad for my channel and my image. So that said, like 2 days ago I said something, and then yesterday I still said something, and today that might be coming true, and we're gonna see it. We're gonna see that actually is coming true. So before we get into the charts and see what's actually happening, join the Telegram channel. We got a very nice group of people on Telegram channel. So if you wanna join the party, join the club, be in some kind of crypto community, not be alone by yourself, figure out what other people are buying, not buying, how to panic, because those people are really good at panicking. Join the Telegram group. It's like 2,200 members right now. It's growing every day, so it's a very nice community. That said, also if you have trouble picking coins, like you don't know actually what to pick, it's your picking coins means taking something that's going up 20-30% and then picking that and then selling when it's down 30%. You might have some kind of trouble picking coins, so for that we get something called daily altcoins video. So head over down in the links below to the Patreon page and check that out. It might be something for you. That said, let's get into the charts and see what's actually happening with VeChain. Nice. So we are technically there is this support line down here that I said we might actually go all the way down there. That might actually be support line. It's looking like it's not. It's looking like this is the extra right now, the triangle that we are actually in. And we want to get out of the triangle upside. Once we get out of the triangle on the upside, we're gonna break 2.2, 2.5, and we're gonna go higher and higher up. Now I've been bullish on VeChain ever since we actually had this red candle here on the weekly chart. And for you guys that have not been following this channel or the VeChain videos for that long on this channel, this red candle has been very important for VeChain, because before this red candle I was bearish. I was saying that we're gonna go into some kind of consolidation, multi-week consolidation, and that might happen. The only chance you have is getting this candle as far down as you can, and we actually managed that because Bitcoin plummeted and pulled everything with it, and this red candle became very big red candle. So this indicator around here is called RSI, that's we here on this channel called rubber band index, pulled all the way from 93 down to 66 levels. That's a very big reset on the RSI, and once that happened we also got very close to this line down here. That's the moving average, 10 moving average, and those two in comparison are looking very bullish for VeChain, and that's why we said this is probably the bottom and it's going to continue further up without having some multi-week consolidation, like for example Cardano had. Cardano had actually 2 months consolidation, so multi-month consolidation, so you can be lucky about that. That said, we started watching the VeChain. We drew some nice triangles over here. I don't think this line is actually longer in play. We're gonna see. We're gonna stick it there, because it might actually be in play. If we start dropping down, then we had this very nice support up here, or resistance up there. Right now they are acting both as a resistance on the way up. So we start going up over here. This is gonna act as a resistance, and this is gonna act as a resistance. So there might be some kind of trading range below or above these two targets. So they are important targets to know if you are thinking about taking profits or something like that. Small time trading. I don't ever advise like day trading or something like that. That's just plain wrong. Anyways, 2 days ago on this candle up here, I said that we're gonna go into small time frames on the 4-hourly. What was actually happening? We are being below this white line. That's the 10 moving average. We are below it and looking to break on the downside on the 20 moving average, and I said this is actually very bullish. People didn't believe me, so of course we still went a little bit up, but then next day we crossed both of them on the upside, and now be sitting there. We got some small pullback here today, but that might so yeah, so we are having small pullback because of Bitcoin, and we do Bitcoin video on this channel as well every single day, first thing in the morning, is to see what's actually gonna happen, because Bitcoin is deciding the fate of our alts. So if Bitcoin goes up, everything goes up. If Bitcoin goes down, everything goes down. So we said today Bitcoin is gonna have a small pullback, so that might actually be it. That said, let's go into the 4-hourly chart and see what's actually happened. So on 4-hourly chart, we're gonna remove this over here. You can see how nicely, let me pull back, let's actually clean up everything up. You can see here that all of the moving averages were on one spot at one point, and when we made this video, the price was actually below it, and we said this is actually a good thing. Sorry, the price was, where was the price? Yeah, the price was below it, but we said it's actually a good thing because once you get into this ending triangle, and the price usually goes like below it, but then it suddenly jumps above it and gets out on the other side. Some kind of a bear trap, because a lot of people see this bearishness because you are below all the moving averages. You see this bearishness, and suddenly the price bounces above moving averages and gets on the other side. And that was actually what happened over here. You can see here the price went down, was below all of these averages, went down, find support here, and suddenly it just went above all the moving averages. Even this drop down here today that's happening, right? Even this is bullish, because this one went all the way only down to the support 10 and 20 moving average, and this one, look, it went down to confirm the 50 moving average support, this line support. So this is very good confirmation, and bounced back all the way above the 10 and 20 moving average, and now sitting above the 10 and 20 moving average. This is on the 4-hourly chart, so we have to see what's actually going to happen. The more important one is actually on the daily chart. This candle over here, if it's going to close above the 20 or not, but as long as it's close above the 10, it's very good. You can see also here the wick down here, it went down, but it went down to the 10 moving average, the white line down there. And that's a very, very bullish sign for VeChain. So all in all, I'm still super bullish. Everything is playing out exactly as we actually wanted it to play out, because once we are over here, we went down to the support, got a nice support down here, bounced off on the moving averages. We are sitting above the moving averages. The only moving average we have left is this 100 moving average. But once we start getting out of the triangle over here, we will get above the 100 moving average as well, and we'll go all the way up to the 0.22 resistance. We got, like you said, we got these two resistance on the way up, but first step, of course, is actually getting out of this line. Now, if you wanna follow the channel and see what's actually happening with the VeChain tomorrow, are we correct or are we not? What's gonna happen? What's not gonna happen? Subscribe to the channel. We do VeChain every day here on this channel, looking what's gonna happen with it and stuff like that. Like we do 6 to 10 coins every single day, so you know you might be finding something interesting. Not only that, we do 6 to 10 coins on the channel, and then we do like 30 plus coins on the Patreon. That's it. Join the Telegram community, really nice people, they chat a lot. We also have live streams for Telegram community, so if that's your thing, you know, live streams, you know, join the party, Anyways, see you guys tomorrow, bye bye.